Want to import passwords into KeePassXC? If you're switching from another password manager or importing passwords from a browser, KeePassXC lets you import supported password databases and CSV files into your encrypted password vault. In this guide, I'll show you how to import passwords into KeePassXC step by step. Let's get started. First, export your passwords from your current password manager or web browser if you haven't already. Depending on the application you're using, you may have a CSV file or another supported password database format ready to import. Next, launch KeePassXC and unlock the password database where you want to import your passwords. If you don't already have a database, create a new one before continuing. Now click the database menu, select Import, and choose the appropriate import option for your password file. Browse to the exported file, select it, and continue with the import wizard. Review the imported entries before saving them. If you're importing from a CSV file, verify that the fields such as title, username, password, URL, and notes are mapped correctly. Once everything looks correct, complete the import. Finally, save your KeePassXC database and browse through the imported entries to make sure everything was transferred correctly. You can organize your passwords into groups, edit entries if needed, and securely delete the original exported CSV file once you've confirmed the import was successful. And that's how to import passwords into KeePassXC. Importing your existing passwords makes it easy to move to KeePassXC while keeping all your login information securely organized in one encrypted database. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.